Hello everyone. Welcome to Miller's Language School. In this video,
Present simple. The short form of the verb. Practice. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. She's the best teacher. She's the best teacher. You're the best friend. You're the best friend. I think he's the best driver of a car. I think he's the best driver of a car. She thinks that I'm the best teacher in the world. She thinks that I'm the best teacher in the world. You're my best friend. You're my best friend. This course is very important. This course is very important. They are very good friends. They are very good friends. These lessons are very useful. These lessons are very useful. Those things are so right. Those things are so right. That thing is so right. That thing is so right. This book is very interesting. This book is very interesting. I think this book is very interesting. I think this book is very interesting. I don't think this book is very interesting. I don't think this book is very interesting. This idea is very useful. This idea is very useful. These ideas are very useful. These ideas are very useful. This thing is very good. This thing is very good. These things are very good. These things are very good. I think this thing is very important. I think this thing is very important. I don't think this thing is very important. I don't think this thing is very important. I think these things are so good. I think these things are so good. I don't think these things are so good. I don't think these things are so good. This university is very good. This university is very good. I think this university is very good. I think this university is very good. I don't think this university is very good. I don't think this university is very good. Our teachers are very intelligent. Our teachers are very intelligent. Our teacher is very intelligent. Our teacher is very intelligent. This thing is very expensive. This thing is very expensive. These houses are so expensive. These houses are so expensive. This plan is really important. This plan is really important. I don't think this plan is really important. I don't think this plan is really important. My girlfriend is a doctor. My girlfriend is a doctor. My friends are so happy. My friends are so happy. My parents are at work. My parents are at work. I know my parents are at home. I know my parents are at home. I think my parent is at home. I think my parent is at home. This video is so boring. This video is so boring. These newspapers are so boring. These newspapers are so boring. That book is very boring. That book is very boring. Those lessons are really boring. Those lessons are really boring. Your results are very good. Your results are very good. Her results are so bad. Her results are so bad. His result is so good. His result is so good. My mother is a teacher. My mother is a teacher. My father is a manager. My father is a manager. My parents are realtors. My parents are realtors. I know my parents are at home. I know my parents are at home. I know my father is at home. I know my father is at home. My love is Alex. My love is Alex. My name is Jack. My name is Jack. My name's Jack. My name's Jack. I'm from France. I'm from France. Her name's Elisabet. Her name's Elisabet. She's from the United States. She's from the United States. His name's Brad. He's from Oklahoma. He's studied at the University of Missouri. He's born in the United States. He's an actor and film producer. Do you know him?
Yes, I know who it is. Maybe it is Brad Pitt. It's right?
Yeah, this is Brad Pitt. His name is Johnny. He's from Kentucky. He has been nominated for 10 Golden Globe Awards. He often makes a toast to his stepfather, "Here's to you, as good as you are." Here's to me, as bad as I am. You're still as good as you are, as bad as I am. What do you know about him?
I think his name is Johnny Depp. He's the best actor for his performance. He plays Jack Sparrow in the swashbuckler film series Pirates of the Caribbean.
It's right.
Yeah. This is Johnny Depp. It's right. I agree with you.
That's it. That video is now complete. By the way, feel free to include in the comments of this video the expressions you hear must be listened to and repeated several times. If you liked this video, click on like to support the channel. I'll say see you soon for another video.